Before I begin, just like to say this man, Praveen Togadia, is a repeat offender. He has a history over several decades, a cultivated background of being one of the most well-known and outspoken believers of fanaticism in this country. Randeep Singh Surjewala, Meenakshi Lekhi of the Congress and the BJP, Yatin Oza of the BJP, Pawan Verma and of the JDU, and Syed Yahya Bukhari, President of the Jama Masjid United Forum. We're going into an open debate. I'm asking just one question and then we go into an open debate, which means anyone wants to rebut anything at any point of time, they can. If they choose not to rebut, which means they're letting the point go unrebutted. My first question is to Pawan Verma. Pawan Verma, why is the BJP, in your view, the same BJP which spoke about Imran Masood with great enthusiasm, the same BJP which spoke about Asaduddin Owaisi, and rightly so? Why is the BJP quiet when it comes to Togadia?
No, Arnab, first of all, what has been said and the BJP criticized it is right. But in this particular case, we've had Giriraj Singh and Togadia in very quick succession. And the question the nation needs to actually ask them is why, what has empowered and enabled and emboldened these leaders to issue statements today? What is it in the BJP's new avatar that allows during an election process to make such absolutely horrendous and appalling statements which actually intend to make not only Bhavnagar a disturbed areas act, but to make the whole of India a disturbed area? That is the question that needs to be asked. And I today want to ask through you, the BJP's muted reaction is because I think we really need to know whether a religious polarization on the lines that has never been seen in this country after 1947 is the real agenda of the BJP or is it development?
No, the
second question is, what is the real face of the BJP?
Arnab,
what is the real face of the BJP? Is it the moderate tone of the BJP or is it now this underbelly of the BJP, this fanatical hardline core whose only purpose is to see that India is once again divided on religious lines and 2014 becomes 1947.
I have just
a legitimate question to ask.
Certainly a legitimate question.
Given the BJP's muted
No, one second. So I said it's an open debate. So, by the way, that question was pointed at the BJP, which is why, Randeep, I see a hand go up first. The hand is of Yatin Oza and I let go across to him. Randeep Surjewala, I will come to you. The fact is this, that if you're not the beneficiary of polarization, if you hate polarization, if you do not believe in polarization, Yatin Oza, then why are you quiet against those who polarize? What happens to you then? Why do you become lily-livered and spineless against those people who polarized?
There is no question of our being spineless or lily-livered. Arnab, let me tell you at the outset, no civilized society can countenance this. Nor is BJP, which is fully wedded to secularism, and its only agenda during this election is development and upliftment of poor and development of the country. Ever subscribe to these views. But let it be first looked into. I assure you that if there is, if it is found that it has been done, law will take its own course.
So you need the media to question you. You need the media to report this case. You need it to become a big issue for you to wake up. For you to wake up, what action has happened against Giriraj Singh? Yesterday the Akali Dal said we want Giriraj Singh sacked. Giriraj Singh says those who do not believe in Narendra Modi should be thrown out of the country and they will have no place in India. What action did you take against Giriraj Singh since then?
Nothing. How stern and strong warning Mr. Rajnath Singh has issued to Giriraj.
Oh, really?
Is known to everybody.
Really? It's not known to me.
It's known to everybody.
It's not known to me.
Very, very strongly.
No, it's not known to me. That's the weakest response.
National President Mr. Rajnath Singh.
Okay, we are getting Randeep coming in. Once again, Meenakshi, I know you want to come in. Randeep is responding to you.
Somebody speaks somewhere. And we have only objected to tag it with BJP.
Please, just a minute.
I reiterate again today. For your viewers, I reiterate again today, everybody knows that whether it is VHP, Bajrang Dal or RSS, they are the ideological think tank that propel, they are the engine that propel Bharatiya Janata Party. There is a systematic design here, a concerted design on part of Shri Narendra Modi, his number 2 in BJP, Shri Amit Shah, and other BJP leaders, to polarize this country, as Pawanji was saying, like in 1947, when Shri Narendra Modi, asked on 2002 riots, throws his mic and walks out of a TV interview, when he passes the kutte ka bacha remarks about minority community, when Shri Narendra Modi honors those guilty of Muzaffarnagar riots and gives them a ticket, when Shri Narendra Modi says wearing a skull cap is derogatory or divisive and not secular, when Shri Amit Shah in Muzaffarnagar speaks about Banto, Kato or
Arnab, I don't care if he wears the skull cap or not.
When Muzaffarnagar riots happened thereafter, when Giriraj Kishore speaks the language and says Nitish Kumar ji was responsible for Gandhinagar blast and wanted to kill Modi, and now speaks about everybody going to Pakistan.
No, Mr. Surjewala. Mr. Surjewala, I'll tell you. No, 1 second.
Arnab, I want to say one thing.
Is it not a
No, I think Meenakshi wants to come.
It doesn't matter whether he wears a skull
by
cap.
Mr. Modi
It doesn't
to
matter.
polarize
It's
this
more
election,
importantly, what is going on under the
minions
skull
like
cap.
Togadia are only being used
No,
now.
I have another comment. No, 1 second. 1 second. I have another comment. And the question is repeated comments, Meenakshi Lekhi, not one. Giriraj Kishore, what does he say? You're not with Narendra Modi, or Makkah, Medina is in Pakistan. You're not supporting Narendra Modi, there is no space for you in this country. One. B, I don't even want to repeat the kind of nonsense that Praveen Togadia says. 1 minute. I have another person. His name is Ramdas Kadam. Ramdas Kadam says, these Muslims clashed with the police. Right now he said it. Narendra Modi was on stage along with Uddhav Thackeray. Maybe you don't know, let me tell you. These Muslims clashed with the police. They burnt police vehicles. They vandalized memorials of our martyrs. These Muslims misbehaved with our female police officers. In this land of Chhatrapati Maharaj, whoever misbehaves with my sisters, Narendra Modi will not rest unless such elements are taken care of. Meenakshi Lekhi, these Muslims, again and again, repeatedly, and this comment was made in Mr. Modi's presence, these Muslims. If you don't believe in polarization,
Can I answer?
then why? The simple question is, Meenakshi Lekhi, if you don't believe in polarization, people will believe you don't believe in polarization only when you come down hard on those who polarize. Not when you sidestep, run away from a mic, give a roundabout answer,
and who
give
should,
some legal, semi-legal defense.
And who should act? Mr. Goswami, now allow me to answer, because three people, you, Mr. Surjewala and Mr. Verma, I need to answer three of you, because you three are on the same track.
And you are
now
with Togadia.
Let me answer first
You're with
by
Togadia.
beginning. I am not with Togadia. I
Then
am
how
not
did you
with
say you
Togadia,
three
by
are
the
on
way.
the same side?
For your
Also with
information,
all three are criticizing
you
Togadia.
three are on the same side because you are twisting. You are twisting the facts.
Twisting
Once,
Togadia.
When Togadia himself says, will you please allow me to answer? Or you're going to badger me before even I open my mouth?
Are you defending Togadia?
No, I am not defending, but I'm questioning you. Yes, I am.
Oh, so-
Arnab, this is not
Who
fair.
benefits
Ask her.
by all this?
Please permit her to answer.
1 minute.
No, I am. Let
Don't
me
put words in her
answer.
mouth.
Let me answer. Let me answer.
I am waiting,
And
I am
pretty,
waiting.
Okay with answering your question. Yeah, so my first answer is, when Togadia himself has disassociated with this reporting and has
What are you saying?
disassociated with this video footage.
No,
and
you don't know.
Will you please
No,
allow
you
me
don't
to
know the
complete?
facts. Your facts are
Will you
wrong.
please allow
Your
me to
facts are wrong.
complete?
No, when your facts are wrong,
I
you're
don't know
factually
the
incorrect.
facts. I think you are, and that's why I'm saying
No, Miss
you are
Lekhi,
twisting
Miss
the
Lekhi,
facts.
don't get worked
You are
up.
twisting the facts.
Miss Lekhi, don't get worked up.
Let's read.
Let's talk very calmly.
He has sent you.
Let's talk very calmly.
Not you, but I think he has sent it to 2-3 other.
Miss Lekhi, here it is.
And
See,
even in
here
the
it
notice
is.
he's
Here's the
mentioning
legal
not
notice.
just your paper,
I have read it paper
he's
by paper and
mentioning under
verse.
Indian Express.
Yeah,
also.
here it is. I can
No, you
share it
said
with you.
he's excluded you.
It's not about
No,
legal
he's not.
notice.
By the way,
I think
hello.
we heard him.
Hello, hello.
In your
Your
website,
television said
you
just
should
now.
What is it?
Miss Lekhi.
You're not letting me answer.
Miss Lekhi, one second.
Please
Miss Lekhi,
don't try
here it
to
is.
put
No,
words
here
in
it
my
is.
mouth.
Here it
Let
is.
me construct my argument
Miss
the way
Lekhi,
I
you are
wish to.
today you don't believe in
The
what you
first
say.
argument is
That you are yourself winding yourself up in your own argument
I
today.
believe. But you will be on defensive because when I speak, you will be on defensive.
Miss Lekhi, you are
and
today,
that will probably
you've
lead
tied
to
yourself
debate
up in knots
or
on
to a different
Togadia.
direction where you want to take it. No, I am not. And that is why I'm saying you have to allow me to complete and paraphrase my argument. And you're not letting
No,
me.
because you're tying yourself up in knots.
No, I'm not.
Usually
Simply
you
because
make your
you
point.
say
Today
I
you're
am
going
not.
around in circles. You're not convinced.
No, and please, I am convinced, and my first answer is when a person who allegedly has made a statement is himself condemning that statement
No.
because he's saying this is not
No.
my statement.
No.
Let the report come.
No.
What exactly he said, what he did
No,
not
no,
say.
no.
False, madam.
Miss
Number
Lekhi.
two, a very concerted conspiracy is happening. A very concerted conspiracy is happening. A particular newspapers publish it. News channels take it up.
Yes.
And arrest Togadia is hashtag within 15 minutes.
So
and
what's
for
wrong?
running anything and trending
I
it
think-
to
I
top
think
one
Miss
position,
Lekhi-
AAP along with Congress is working at it.
Miss
And it
Lekhi,
is in this
Miss
context,
Lekhi, I take
even
offense. No,
assuming he
1
said
minute,
so
Miss Lekhi.
2 years ago
Miss Lekhi.
is what you are
Miss Meenakshi Lekhi, just a minute. Now you've spoken. Now you've spoken. Now you've spoken. Now you've spoken and let me speak. You've spoken, now let me
very
speak.
Simple.
1 minute,
The
Miss
point
Lekhi.
remains very simple.
Miss Lekhi, you are so
that
wrong today.
who
You must
will
listen to me
benefit
now.
by
Miss
polarizing?
Lekhi, I'll tell
And
you
how
one
are
thing.
you
Please don't.
connecting
You're
it to
repeating
Modi?
yourself now. Now you're repeating yourself. Listen to me.
I am not
Miss
repeating.
Lekhi, listen to me.
I am not repeating.
Miss Lekhi, listen
you
to me.
did not
No, 1 minute. You listen to me, Miss Lekhi. Just for a minute. It will be good for you. I have news for you, Miss Lekhi.
You did not.
I have news for you, Miss Lekhi. I have news for you. I have news for you which will make you eat your words right now, right here.
Secularism does not mean wearing topis
Miss
and wearing
Lekhi,
tilaks.
don't try and twist
Because
it around.
if
You're
going
already
to
tied
force
up in
Hindus
knots.
into wearing topis,
Miss
they
Lekhi.
will force you to wear tilaks. I
Arnab,
think
can I come
secularism
in
means
here for a
each
minute?
one is
No,
free to practice their
one
religion.
second. Pawan Verma, 1 second.
Arnab,
Meenakshi Lekhi, just a minute.
just
No,
because-
one
I'm
second.
coming to the
No, just a minute.
I have
Just a
another
minute.
argument
Remain
to
quiet
make.
for a minute, Meenakshi. Just for a
have to
minute.
answer for
Remain
Praveen
quiet for a
Togadia.
minute. Just one for a minute. Just for a minute. Miss Lekhi's argument is tonight, ladies and gentlemen, that there is a conspiracy on. In that case, the breaking news for Miss Meenakshi Lekhi, BJP spokesperson, is that an FIR has been filed, Miss Lekhi, about 2 minutes back. Because as you know, Times Now is always ahead on the news. Against Togadia and Bhavnagar. 1 minute, listen now. Now you listen. B Division Police Station for inciting hatred between communities. So maybe you want to include the Modi government now as part of the conspiracy one.
Bhavnagar is in Gujarat, na?
So
Bhavnagar
listen.
is Gujarat.
1 minute, just listen.
So Gujarat
The Election
government is
Commission
acting
now,
on
Miss
your
Lekhi,
response.
listen, please.
I am talking about
Miss
the
Lekhi, now
timing.
listen. The Election Commission. Please listen. You must listen. The Election Commission.
Election Commission should even procure the CD or
Miss
whatever.
Lekhi,
video,
again you are
whatever it is.
behind on the news today.
And it
Again
is
you
up to
don't
her
know.
as
So I am
well.
informing you.
Vinata, 1 minute.
I am informing
Arnab.
you that the Election Commission,
Arnab,
1 minute.
Arnab.
Listen to me. Both of you are on the back foot today. The Election Commission asked the Bhavnagar administration to register a case against Togadia.
How
So the
are you
Election
connecting
Commission
me?
acted in this particular case. And by the way, you talk about the legal notice. I have 4 points on the legal notice. The legal notice does not deny Togadia's
1 minute,
presence in
1 minute,
Bhavnagar on the
Arnab.
said dates.
Arnab, give me 1 minute.
The legal notice.
Arnab,
1 minute. You
Arnab,
listen.
give me 1 minute.
Sir, please listen, Mr. Oza. The legal notice does
one
not,
minute, Arnab.
Mr. Oza, the legal notice does not deny the basic plot of the story. Praveen Togadia speaking with reference to Muslims allegedly purchasing houses by force.
No, he's
Please,
talking
My
about
question is
UP.
simply this,
He's
Mr.
talking
Oza.
about UP.
Mr. Oza, listen to me.
Meenakshi,
Mr. Oza, tell
Meenakshi, 1
me.
minute.
Mr. Oza, please.
Meenakshi, 1 minute.
No,
I am
Mr.
not
Oza, tell me.
Togadia,
In an independent country, a democratic country, who on earth is Praveen Togadia to decide where Hindus live and Muslims
Let us
live?
do the talking, Arnab. Arnab,
No,
let us
I
do
agree
the
with
Pawan
you.
Verma.
I agree with
Pawan
you.
Verma is
I have
speaking.
a
Pawan
question.
Verma.
Who decides in Jammu and Kashmir
Arnab,
to
allow us
whom
to
Hindu lands
rebut.
will go away?
on, don't give me
And
the-
why will government not
You
ask?
justify,
Why will you
Meenakshi,
not
now you,
fix
that
first you
now?
tie yourself
Why
up
will
in
you not
knots and now you
arrest
justify
Abdullah?
religious
Why will you
apartheid.
not tag arrest Abdullah?
Please don't give me
That
that.
is my question.
Please don't divide people like this. Don't divide people like this.
I will
Randeep
do that.
Surjewala.
Communal
No,
lines.
you're right.
Then what
People
is?
should not be divided.
Don't
I
divide
agree.
people like this.
People should
Do not
be
divide. Do not divide
And that
people
is
on the
my
basis of
point.
religion.
I agree to that statement.
That's
Do
I
not.
what she is
agree to
doing.
you so far as that statement is concerned.
Do not-
People should
do-
not be divided.
That's
but who's
exactly
getting
what Togadia
benefited?
is doing.
That is my question.
My question
and
goes-
that is why 2012 CD is being placed today. Whether it is
People
right
should
or
not
it
be
is not, the
divided,
man himself
but
has
we are going to
disassociated.
divide
That
them
means
all
he does
the
not
same
agree.
by passing remarks,
And
by
you are
throwing people out,
arguing
by
that
saying that they
you
have to
are
go to
arguing
Pakistan,
that even without
by
verifying
saying that
whether a particular
people of one particular
Pakistan,
religious
again you are
belief do
twisting.
not have a
What
right
did he
to
say?
live in
What did
Bhavnagar.
Giri-
Why
you
are
talk
we going
about
to,
Zahir,
madam, with
you
due
talk
regards
about
to
Zahir
you
ki
and your
kheti,
eloquence,
you talk about
are we going to
isko
do
zinda
that?
gaad denge, you
Is
talk
that the
about
way we are going to run this country?
I'll tell you what you should
if
do.
you are going to,
I will
and
tell you
what
what
is
you
happening
should do.
in presence of
You
Mr.
can't
Modi
have double
himself.
standards. All this,
A video
all
was
this
just
raking
played
up right
out,
now.
both of Praveen
All this
Togadia
raking up right now.
as also
Yahya
Mr.
Bukhari.
Modi himself.
One at a time, gentlemen.
Gloating over the
Goti
remarks
goti
being
kar
passed
denge.
in his presence.
No, one second.
I
I'm
need to
getting in
answer.
Pawan Verma. Pawan Verma. One at a time, Meenakshi. Let Pawan Verma speak. Pawan Verma. Pawan Verma is speaking now. Please, Meenakshi.
Just allow me a minute, please.
Go ahead, Mr. Verma.
Arnab, the breaking news of your show today is that in spite of a statement like the one Mr. Togadia make, which will make any civilized human being anywhere, including our own citizens, to literally hang their head in shame, what we are actually witnessing is such a muted criticism of his comment and even a defense. The RSS, actually Mr. Ram Madhavji says, and the RSS is fully backing BJP's supreme leader, that this statement is false when it is on television footing, it's on camera. Now I say to you,
So,
what is the message people of India should take?
Can't be
Is
false.
the BJP
Is it the
fighting to
first time?
change India on the basis of development, or is its real agenda something else which was going to affect every single citizen of India? I think this is a serious question. Because I cannot imagine a defense
I
being
need
put
to
up by
answer him.
creating other wrongs which other parties have done.
The question
It
is-
is not an answer to a provocation.
The point, Miss, I'd now like to get, I'd now like to get Meenakshi. You must let Syed Yahya Bukhari speak, please, because he hasn't come in yet. I think we should
I need
just
to
allow
answer.
someone else to come in.
No, I need
Miss
to answer
Lekhi,
Mr.
I am requesting another panelist to
I
speak.
must
And
answer
since
him.
he has been polite enough to
Mr.
listen to you
Goswami,
all this
allow me
while,
to answer
I would
him.
request
I
you
will
to have the
answer him
courtesy to
tonight.
listen to him, even
I
if
will
his
answer
point of
him
view disagrees
tonight.
with yours. Miss Lekhi, I am now going to Mr. Syed Yahya Bukhari.
Verma in
Miss
two
Lekhi,
lines.
after Mr. Bukhari, you can
defending it. Why should I defend? So why? And that is my question. That is exactly my question. When Mr. Verma is speaking, he forgets what his own
Miss
minister
Lekhi,
said.
can others
He
also
said,
have a word in?
"Zinda gaad denge
Miss
agar wo
Lekhi,
Bhagalpur
you see,
aayenge."
I'll
And
now,
did he
Miss
not
Lekhi, now I
share-
request you.
Was he not putting his head in
Miss
shame?
Lekhi, please,
What-
now,
where
Miss
did his
Lekhi,
head
please,
go?
please,
Whatever
now.
statement he gave,
No, 1 minute.
he gave-
Miss Oza and Miss Lekhi, I'll request you now, basic television manners, I'm coming in. Please remember this. 1 minute, Mr. Oza. 1
लेकिन जी,
minute.
आप
No,
ये
Mr.
मानती हैं
Oza,
कि
just
जो
a minute,
उन्होंने
please.
statement दिया तो गड़िया
Mr.
जी
Oza,
ने,
just a minute.
वो
Please remember
communism
this.
को फैलाता
There are
है।
many panelists on the program. Everybody has a right to have their point of view, and everybody must be heard in detail. You and Miss Lekhi want to be heard in detail. They too want to be. I think it is absolutely fair of them to want to be heard in detail. When you spoke, they statements has your party made against Togadia? When Togadia said Muslim fishermen should not be allowed to go into the sea, Miss Lekhi, you know what? If you can, Miss Lekhi, you know the problem with you is that you feel that you can keep on talking and that makes you a better person in terms of a debate. The shallowness of your argument comes from the fact that I was asking you a question which you will not answer. My direct question to you is point out one thing, and if you don't listen, if you don't have the patience to listen, you will not answer. The point out one statement of Mr. Togadia says you don't allow Muslim fishermen into the sea. And I want to know one statement from the BJP against Mr. Togadia at that point of time. Did you speak then? You did not. Mr. Bukhari is coming in. Mr. Bukhari is speaking. Please hear him, please. Mr. Bukhari.
मिस लेखी, मैं आपसे एक बात पूछना चाहता हूं. देखिए, ये मुल्क हिंदुस्तान जिसका नाम है, इतना खूबसूरत मुल्क है जहां हिंदू और मुसलमान हमेशा से मिलकर रहते हैं. और हिंदुस्तान से बड़ी मिसाल पूरी दुनिया में कहीं नहीं मिलेगी कि जहां हिंदू और मुसलमानों की एकता की मिसाल, जहां एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपको गुरुद्वारा भी मिलेगा, मंदिर भी मिलेगा, मस्जिद भी मिलेगी. और ऐसी एक मिसाल नहीं, हिंदुस्तान में दसियों मिसालें ऐसी हैं. लेकिन उस हिंदुस्तान की तहजीब को तोगड़िया जैसे लोग जो स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, ये उसको खत्म करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो आप लोग उनकी जबान, तोगड़िया जैसे लोगों की जबानों के ऊपर लगाम क्यों नहीं लगाते? आप एक तरफ तो आपके लीडर्स, वन सेकंड प्लीज. आप एक तरफ आपके लीडर्स जाके मुसलमानों से उनके सपोर्ट लेने की भीख मांगते हैं या रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, जो भी आप समझें. दूसरी तरफ आप ही की पार्टी या आप ही की पार्टी से जुड़े हुए लोग इस तरह की बात करते हैं, जो मुल्क में आग लगाने वाली बात करते हैं.
देखिए, जो कुछ
इसमें लगाम आपकी पार्टी को देना चाहिए.
मुल्क में आग लगाने की बात करता है, हम उसके खिलाफ हैं, वो कोई भी हो. और बुखारी साहब
बोएंगे तो उसमें से प्यार कैसे पैदा होगा? जब वो लोगों को बांटने की खेती करेंगे तो उसमें से एकता कहां से पैदा होगी? जब नरेंद्र मोदी साहब नफरत फैलाएंगे और बीजेपी, तो उसमें से मोहब्बत कहां से पैदा होगी? भारतीय जनता पार्टी का और नरेंद्र मोदी जी की पूरी राजनीति का इस चुनाव में आधार ही नफरत बांटना, जहर की खेती करना, लोगों को बांटना, और जैसा अमित शाह कहते हैं, लोगों को बांटना, काटना और बदला लेना. ये लोग जो नफरत की राजनीति करते हैं और नफरत की खेती करते हैं, इनमें से मोहब्बत कहां से ये इस देश के लिए और एकता कहां से पैदा करेंगे? सच्चाई बात ये है बुखारी साहब, और ये इस देश को समझने की जरूरत है. वो इसमें तोगड़िया तो एक बहुत छोटे से इनके कलाकार हैं, वो गिरिराज जी हो, नरेंद्र मोदी जी हो,
मैं सिर्फ एक प्रश्न करूंगा.
ये सब
मेरा तो
एक सोचा समझा षड्यंत्र
बहुत ही
इस देश को बांटने का.
एक मिनट, मेरा एक ही सवाल है. अगर कोई सुनने की गुजारिश कर रहा हूं, कोई सुन ले प्लीज. मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं एक. देखिए 3-4 मुद्दे हैं. एक मिनट मीनाक्षी लेखी जी, सुन लिया कीजिए प्लीज.
कांग्रेस पार्टी है,
आप सिर्फ
मिली भगत है.
आप ठीक है, सुन लिया आपकी बात, तो आप 1 मिनट प्रश्न भी सुन ले. बात सिर्फ ये है कि मौका तो आज है कि नई शुरुआत की जाए. दिस इज द टाइम टू मेक अ न्यू स्टार्ट. पवन वर्मा, this is the time to say that someone who says you please, Miss Lekhi, please, this is the time to say we will not bring in references such as Mullah Mulayam. Your political Makkah Medina is in Pakistan. Muslims consider terrorists their protectors. This is actually a time to debunk all of that and say we will get into this election, and these things take away from an election. These things take away from an election which actually was ostensibly to be an election about development. This was supposed to be an election about development. And if it was supposed to be an election of development, Yatin Oza, why do you not throw out Giriraj Singh? Why don't you throw out Giriraj Singh?
1 minute.
Why don't you act against this Praveen Togadia before the media asks you to?
We are now.
Why didn't you?
We are now discussing.
Yatin Oza is replying now.
We are now discussing Togadia.
Yatin Oza is replying. Yes, he will. Let him speak.
My question.
Meenakshi,
Yatin
please
Oza,
now
please.
permit me to
Meenakshi,
speak.
Yatin Oza is replying now.
Meenakshi, now please permit me to speak.
Nitish Kumar,
This is not fair, Meenakshi.
do not question them. And why are you segregating?
1 minute,
Meenakshi?
Arnab.
That is my problem.
Miss Lekhi,
Arnab,
just a minute,
we
1
are
second. No,
discussing-
1 minute,
we
1
are
minute,
discussing-
1 minute. I never heard the BJP complaining when Times Now asked questions on Azam Khan. I didn't see the BJP complaining when we asked
One
on
minute.
what basis did the
Please.
Congress party do
I'm
Muslim
not-
politics
I'm
by
saying you
playing
never
to the
asked
gallery with
Azam
Shah
Khan be
Imam?
thrown out. You
I
never
did not
asked
ask.
JDU
I did not hear the
Mansur
BJP
be
complain
thrown
when we asked the
out.
question
You never
about Imran
asked
Masood and why he did the
Congress
Modi
minister be
Poti
thrown out.
comment.
You are
I did not hear the BJP
this
complain when we
gentleman.
spoke about
On what
Asaduddin
basis?
Owaisi. Do
All
not
of them should
accuse
be
the
thrown
media
out.
of being
Or
partisan. The
none
media
should be
knows its
thrown out.
job. But it is the job of the media to be non-partisan,
Media
and
is
by that logic,
partisan to
we will
the
ask questions to
extent
everyone,
it
including Mr. Praveen
only
Togadia.
BJP
So if you
workers.
stand,
And
Miss Lekhi, and you
what-
applaud us when I have a simple question.
Yatin Bhai
I have a
has
very
also
simple
Miss
question to
Lekhi
Yatin
today.
Oza.
Will
Yatin
they
Oza, I also have a
apologize
question
for
for you.
Giriraj
One
Singh?
simple
Will they
question for you,
withdraw
Yatin
his
Oza.
candidature
Listen to this
because he is
question.
refusing
No,
to withdraw
1
his
second.
remarks?
I ask a question on behalf of a lot of people here. Now, this country, Mr. Yatin Oza, remember, this great country of ours cannot always be pulled back by fanatics. Don't do that. I am asking you today. Praveen, no, Mr. Oza, listen please, and let me remind you, Mr. Oza, that your party always quotes the fight against corruption. It quotes the stories that Times Now broke. When we question Asaduddin Owaisi, you stand there and applaud. So why do you get scared when we ask questions of Praveen Togadia? When we question Imran Masood, you stand there and applaud. Why do you get scared when we ask questions of Praveen Togadia? When we raise questions on Azam Khan, you stand there and give us a standing ovation. Why do you get scared when we ask questions of Praveen Togadia? Mr. Oza, remember, the media will be fair, and the media will be central, and the media will be critical of all parties equally. I'm asking you today, do you believe that Praveen Togadia's views over the years pose a threat to Bharatiyata and Hindustaniyat? Do you believe that his views pose a threat to Bharatiyata and Hindustaniyat?
Nobody.
Do they or do they not?
Neither me, neither.
Do his views pose a threat to Bharatiyata?
Ever countenance this. And
To this
as a
country.
result thereof, you have seen FIR being registered immediately, within less
FIR
than
has been
24
registered
hours.
Not by Gujarat.
While look at,
government, please.
while,
It has
On
thereof
do not
and
fall
the
in the
correctness
same
thereof.
bracket as Modi and do not fall in the same bracket as Amit Shah. If you do
Please
so,
kindly
then
appreciate
your hand
the
will be
discussion.
spoiled.
Pawan Verma, coming back to the debate. Pawan Verma.
Theirs has
And therefore I don't accept genuineness and correctness of the said news unless I myself see. I am absolutely unknown about this fact.
That news
I
was
came here
played
to
on this
discuss on Mr.
television,
Fogadia's
Mr.
remarks
You saw
and not
that
on any
news
other
being
remarks.
played. Why
Now
are
I
you
want to
telling
put this
lies?
to your panel.
Yes, Mr. Verma.
Put this to your panel.
Why would any responsible
I want to
person?
put this to your panel.
Yes, Pawan Verma.
And correctness.
Yes, Pawan Verma.
Arnab, beyond political one-upment,
I'll tell you why. Because Mr. Verma is speaking without taking action against his own party member who said, "Agar
now
Modi
this is a
Bhagalpur mein
counter
aate hain, to
allegation.
usko zinda
Every allegation
gaar
is
denge."
responded. Every argument is responded by counter
It's not
allegation.
counter allegation. What is
It is
good for
not.
the
If you
goose is
talk
good
of
for the gander.
2002, you
So
say
before you open your
1984.
mouth, please
If you
apply
talk
to
of
your own party.
1984, you say
Don't question
2002.
me. Don't question me,
Please
Mr. Verma.
don't make
I have
this
not
only about
finished. I have
Tutu
not
Meme.
finished.
There's an
And for
issue
Mr.
here.
Surjewala, he should have taken action against Mr. Jairam Ramesh, including many. And against Mr. Bukhari, there are 3 warrants of arrest which are pending. They should have been executed. In the case of Maharashtra, people who violated the law without naming them into Muslims or whatever, the law should have taken its course. In Muzaffarnagar, the law should have taken its course, and only then you can come down to Giriraj. In Giriraj's defense, I can only say one line, 2 different things. One is Modi and the other is jo log
I don't know what
Pakistan
worries
ki baat
me.
karte
What
hain.
worries me?
Have been connected.
what really-
And I think it is commendable,
The issue
and he
of,
should have known better.
the issue of greatest
Election time,
concern.
everything will get
No, the issue of greatest concern is-
Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi for the remarks that he has been making. Will you throw out Uma Bharti
Oh, don't
for the
talk about
intemperate and
Naqvi.
divisive remarks she
Oh,
makes?
God.
These are all
Sir, this is
questions
now
that we
using
need to
it
What
answer.
did Uma
That's
Bharti
irrelevant.
say
That's irrelevant.
about Vadra?
That's irrelevant. That's
Mr.
irrelevant. No, we're not.
Giriraj Singh
We discussed
confidently
Vadra
get
yesterday.
away with
Very
this
idea
remark in
of
the
India.
BJP.
And
How
this
is that
idea of
relevant?
India
All
is
I'm
actually
saying
now
is-
being challenged.
I have one question to ask before.
Modi and Amit Shah.
Now, Miss Lekhi, we have a 3 or 4 minutes left on the debate, and Mr. Bukhari has been wanting his turn.
Distraction And the only way they think
And
they
Mr.
can come to
Bukhari,
power.
मीनाक्षी जी, आपका खुद कहना है कि आप इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट्स को बिल्कुल आप उसके खिलाफ हैं। मेरा एक बहुत सिंपल सवाल आपसे है, कभी अमित शाह कम्युनल स्टेटमेंट देते हैं,
एक मिनट, बुखारी जी, एक मिनट।
स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, कभी ये तोगड़िया देते हैं। आप लोग खाली ये कह देते हैं डिबेट्स में आके और सामने।
आजम खान का नाम लेना भूल जाते हैं, आप अपने बुजुर्गवार बुखारी साहब का नाम लेना भूल जाते हैं। आप लगातार
नहीं, मैं आपकी बात, देखिए यहाँ जो डिबेट हो रही है पहले मेरी बात पूरी होने दीजिए। आप पहले मेरी बात पूरी होने दीजिए। आप मेरी बात पूरी होने दीजिए। आप मेरे सवाल, आप जवाब को टालने के लिए आप आजम खान का नाम बीच में ला रही हैं। Why don't you let me complete my whatever I want to say?
मैं नहीं आ रही, मैं तो आपको कह रही हूँ,
मुझे बताइए कि इस तरह के जो लोग, चलिए अगर इस तरह के लोग जो ये स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, आपकी पार्टी कौन सा ऐसा कदम उठाएगी कि जिससे कि आइंदा आपकी पार्टी के लोग इस तरह आग लगाने की बात न करें? या ये जो जहर से बुझे हुए जो स्टेटमेंट जो
आज तो भाई मेरी पार्टी के लोगों ने नहीं लगाई, ना मेरा टोगड़िया से कुछ लेना देना है।
आप कैसे कहते हैं, आप
से वाकिफ है तो फर्स्ट
आपकी पार्टी का तो लेना देना है।
आप मेरी पार्टी को कृपया करके इससे मत जोड़िए।
आपकी पार्टी का लेना देना गिरिराज सिंह से तो है। आपकी पार्टी का लेना देना मीनाक्षी जी, आपकी पार्टी का लेना देना अमित शाह से तो
भूल
है।
भटक चुके हैं, जिन्होंने देश के शासन पे कोई काम नहीं किया है, और इसलिए जानबूझ के गफलत की जा रही है। और
दूसरी अगर आप आजम खान की बात कर रही हैं, आजम खान के ऊपर कोई डिबेट होगी तो उस पर बात करेंगे।
आजम खान, I don't, what this is, you know what happens is just a minute please. No, just a minute please. Please remember this. Asking for votes on the basis of communalism is against the rules of the Election Commission.
ऐसा कोई यकीन आप दिलाइए कि आपकी पार्टी की तरफ से यकीन दहानी हो कि आइंदा इस तरह के कम्युनल स्टेटमेंट्स नहीं उठेंगे।
And just
मुसलमानों को लड़वाने वाली बात है, ये जोड़ने वाली बात नहीं,
और जो
खत्म करने वाली बात है, ये हिंदुस्तान की गंगा और जमनी तहजीब को खत्म करने वाली बात है।
जब पतीला काला कहता रहेगा तो पतीले को अपने अंदर झांकना होगा। सिर्फ इतना सा।
Meenakshi Lekhi, I think we are missing an opportunity here. I can only say this to you. I can, Miss Lekhi, the more rigid we become, the more rigid we become about people like Praveen Togadia. And 1 minute, Miss Lekhi, Miss Lekhi, whether directly, Miss Lekhi, listen to me, please. I am making an appeal to you and others as well. Please listen for a minute. Please listen, Miss Lekhi. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm saying something now. Miss Lekhi, please listen to me. Please listen to me, Miss Lekhi, for a minute. Listen to me for a minute. An entire generation of this country was divided on the basis of religion because of the Babri Masjid demolition and the run-up to it. An entire generation of this country was then divided on the basis of caste because of what happened during Mandal and the aftermath of it, when politicians used caste and religion for individual personal interest. Here is an opportunity, and that's all I'm saying. To all of you, please let me complete. Here is an opportunity to say these people who do this and who do this again and again must therefore be punished. And the entire system must extricate them and then say that you are wrong and you will be punished for it. The system cannot directly or indirectly provide them covering fire. That's all I'm saying. Because 20 years from now, I don't think the Indians of the future want a country where people like Praveen Togadia are rabble-rousers on the streets. That's not the India people want, Miss Lekhi. If you think that's the India people want, you should get a reality check. You should get a reality check. That's not, I'm saying it openly. That's not the India we need to give the next generation. And you can take a reality check, get a survey done on it.
Agreed. But